Hello, I'm Anton from Rain Harvesting. Today we're going to be looking at how to maintain tank screens. You might find that from time to time there'll be some leaves or debris which might build up inside there. So it's important that we keep the system clean, and that's going to make sure that your system is performing at its peak. There's two versions. There's the screw-on one and this one over here, which is a clip-on version. First I'll show you this screw-on one and what we're going to do. So the debris that I've got in here is quite dry, so one option is we could just remove it out by hand, but a lot of the time it's not going to be like that. So we're going to unscrew it. And you'll note there that I've taken the screws out almost all of the way, but I've decided to keep them in there just so that I don't drop them. So I'm going to take the screen off, I'm going to bring it down. So there's a bit of debris in there. I can knock a few leaves out like that. You might have to give it a brush off as well, and you can probably give it a quick hose out as well. If you give it a nice backwash like that, that should get your screen really nice and clean, and then we'll put it back on the tank. And now we're going to return the tank screen back into place. Try and line up any screw holes that you had beforehand. That'll make it easier to screw in, and it also just means less holes in your tank. And make sure that you've got if you're using a drill, make sure you've got it set to quite a low torque setting, because that's all that's required. If you've got a drill without a torque setting, then just use a screwdriver instead. Now you might also find, even before you start, that you've got a tank screen cover, like this. So if you've got a tank cover, you'll just have to remove that first, and it'll probably be screwed on. And another interesting tip is, if you don't want to unscrew your screen to remove it, you can also get this maintenance tray. And that just simply sits on top, and it just means that, especially if you've got a tank higher than this one, and I'm standing on a stool, it's a low tank, it just means that you can easily reach up, grab it and empty it out as required. So now we're going to have a look at how to maintain a clip-on version. So this is another version of tank screen that we've got, and it has the same function in that it is stopping leaves from getting into your tank. Now the way that we're going to clean this is all we do is simply unclip it. There's 3 tabs, and different sizes have got a different number of tabs. So you just unclip them. And now I'm going to follow the same process as I did with the other version of the tank screen. I'm going to tip those out, and if you need to give it a backwash, it's easy to wash it out. Then I'm going to pop it back on the tank. And then to return it back into place, we simply place it on top, and you've got 3 snaps, or a few snaps, just to click it into place. So it's super easy. The advantage is you don't have to bring any tools along when you're maintaining it, and it'll probably help you maintain it more often and make sure that your system's really humming. So that's how to maintain your tank screens. If you want to find out a bit more information about them, just jump onto the website.